Hey, you know what we can use this for? Making scratchers for the cats.
Good.
Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this cardboard cutter, which is actually pretty fancy. And it's actually really, really nice. Look at that. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. We've got a box here. We've got a couple boxes here. We're going to show you just how easy this thing is to use.
I've not tried it yet, so.
It's got like a safe, yeah, right?
It's a little different than I thought it would be.
Yeah. So
Drop the box.
it's got like a little safety on it. So there's like this button here you have to push down as you pull on this. If you pull on this, it is not going to come on, which is nice because it's not accidentally going to come on. You have to push on this and push this at the same time, which makes it quite a bit safer than some of the other ones that I've seen.
I don't want it to just take off on me.
Yeah, go ahead, do it again. It's so crazy.
So fast.
And you literally could shred your cardboard into these little strips, glue them together, and make little cat scratchers, because that's pretty much what they're made out of anyway.
Or cut out shapes and make
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. You build a fort with it for your kids. It actually works so easy. And it's USB-C rechargeable, so you just recharge it when it's done. It's got the little battery gauge on the side of it. On the other side of it, there's a battery gauge. So there's a little battery gauge on it.
There's a plug in the back.
That's where you charge it. Tells you how much charge it has.
Works pretty good.
I like it. I think it's nice. We get so much cardboard and so many cardboard boxes. It just makes it nice to cut the boxes down, make them a little smaller from when we take them for recycling. Or like I said, if you want to build some fun cat stuff out of it, build your little cat scratchers, you easily could do that. Yep. Yeah, we definitely recommend this.